Hello and welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards with the Keychron Q4. This particular model is considered to be the best Keychron Q4 available in the market. Let's explore what makes this keyboard stand out from the rest. The Keychron Q4 is a fully customizable mechanical keyboard with a compact 60% layout and a solid full aluminum frame. It is designed for personalized premium typing comfort and is the ultimate choice for those who appreciate a mini keyboard. One of the key features of the Keychron Q4 is its full QMK and VIA support. This allows you to program and remap each key on the keyboard with ease, making it highly customizable. The keyboard is also hot swappable, meaning you can change out the switches without soldering. It comes with Gateron G Pro Brown switches, providing tactile responsiveness with a long keystroke lifespan. The double gasket design of the Keychron Q4 helps to maintain flexibility and improve typing sound. The keyboard also features south-facing RGB lighting to illuminate the keys from the typist's angle. The keycaps are made of premium non-shine-through PBT material, offering excellent oil resistance and preventing legends from fading. The Keychron Q4 is compatible with both Mac and Windows operating systems, with dedicated keycaps for both systems included. The keyboard is wired for a reliable connection and supports a variety of MX-style mechanical switches. In conclusion, the Keychron Q4 wired custom mechanical keyboard is a top-of-the-line option for those seeking a customizable and high-quality typing experience. Its features, build quality, and compatibility make it a standout choice in the mechanical keyboard market. If you're looking for the best Keychron Q4 available, this might just be the keyboard for you. That's all for today's review of the Keychron Q4 wired custom mechanical keyboard. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product critiques. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.